Are you having issues to log in into your KakaoTalk account and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix it. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your KakaoTalk app, and instead you're going to go into the settings app on your phone. So just open up your settings app on your phone instead, and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, we're just going to scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says General. So click on General, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. In here, scroll down a little bit and then click on Storage, as you can see, and then you're just going to wait for this page to completely load in here. So when it's done, when all of the apps in here, as you can see, is done loading, just scroll up like this until you can see the search bar all the way up top in here, as you can see. Just search for KakaoTalk in here. And then the most important step in this tutorial is going to be for you to firstly click on Upload App. And once again, click on Upload App in here, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And just wait for your KakaoTalk app to completely update to the latest version. So by the way, I did this myself. I actually waited for this app to completely update. Then I went back into the app, and actually after that it worked for me. I was able to log back in into my account again. But if it's not working for you, then you need to basically reset your password, because probably you have forgotten your password. So just go into the app, click on reset your password, and then just follow the instructions after that. But hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.